Assalamu everyone, this is your host K Select जी नादरीन मां तव्हांखे ॿुधाईंदो राइट नाउ मां हिकिड़े इंस्टीट्यूट में आहियां तमामु वॾो इंस्टीट्यूट आहे हिते खोड़ सारा स्टूडेंट्स जेको आहिनि हिते वेठल आहिनि ऐं अचो उन्हनि स्टूडेंट्स सां कचहरी कंदासीं हाल वाल कंदासीं ॾिसूं था छा था चवनि ऐं हुन टॉपिक बि असांखे ॾसियो आहे टॉपिक बि ते हुन सां कुझु हाल वाल कयूं था कचहरी कयूं था सो अचो त फ्रेंड्स हुन कुझु हाल वाल कयूं कचहरी कयूं
stereotype typical. The expectation was visible. Make money, residual pain you physically. We'll resurrect the earth from birth to switch the dead. Spread like it was salad spread.
My topic is what is the difference between complete and finish? Do you know?
Complete and finish. Complete means जॾहिं असां कोई कमु पूरो करे छॾियूं त उहो ऐं finish त माना अञा उहो प्रोसेस या कोई हिकु प्रोसेस पूरो थियो हुजे.
To me, the difference between the complete is and the finish means if something is achieved, means it's completed. If it's not achieved, it can be finished.
I think same, but when we are saying about a complete, it means other thing can be start, but when we are finished, means we are living for all. We will never touch it again.
Complete means something which is complete, and finish which is in a process of completion.
Finish is for time being, and complete is for whole the scenario. If any story is occurring, then it is a finish, not a complete.
25% of MCs in the millennium get offended when Jack steps up and put the venom up in them. The venom is a form of boom bap penicillin up in them. A BT track line with critical ending. When we roll with the disc format to upload, in your ears and rhymes are kicked format to erupt. Full effect. Full effect. Full effect.
Complete means some part of your work is remaining, okay? And the finish means that everything has been completed, no chance of, no part of work is remaining.
Complete means the whole and finish means the end. Complete means whole.
Whole what?
Whole, I think
Everything
somehow everything is done. And finish means to end. Everything is end.
Complete means whole, means all over. And finish means totally end, means the work has been completed.
According to me, I think if you have a sincere friend, then you are complete, and if your friend is not sincere with you, then you are finished.
I think complete in something, if we are sincere to ourselves, we are complete. If we are not sincere to ourselves, we are finished.
Finish means everything has gone, and complete, we are complete with something as there the mobile is not complete without a SIM.
Finish means everything is finished. There is no more, you can't add anything else and say that now it is not finished or anything else. But finish is just end.
Try to be scientific, couldn't even live in nickel, unidentical with your miracle stereotype typical law. Beat boys on the floor. Full effect.
Complete and finish. Fully complete and finish means fully finished.
Actually, when you become successful and when you get what you desire, that is completeness. And when you just destroy or you say that you are fresh.
I just want to say that when till you complete your studies in IBA, till then you are finished.
Do your things with your own wishes, you are completed. And when you do the things which you don't want, you are finished.
जॾहिं पाण असां नंढा गोल जॾहिं असां अचीव कंदा त उनखे असां चवंदा फिनिश नंढनि गोल्स खे जॾहिं असां अचीव कयूं उनखे फिनिश कंदासीं ऐं जॾहिं असांजो वॾो गोल अचीव थी वञे बाय कंप्लीटिंग दीस स्मॉलर गोल्स देन वी कॉल द कंप्लीट.
Complete mean ending.
Completes mean ending.
या हाँ complete accomplishment और हमने रिजल्ट ले लिया. फिनिश एक पार्ट जब खत्म हो जाता है जब उस चीज़ का जो हम करते हैं उसको फिनिश करते हैं.
कंप्लीट हाफ होता है और जो फिनिश पूरा हो जाता है.
I think both the meanings are same.
Both are the same words and both have the same meanings.
Yes, I think, in my opinion.
I think both there is alphabetical difference between both.
जी फ्रेंड्स इहो असांजो अॼु जो प्रोग्राम उम्मीद आहे तव्हांखे असांजो जो प्रोग्राम पसंदि आयो हूंदो फ्रेंड्स जेके तव्हां बि कुझु चवणु चाहियो था तव्हां असांखे ईमेल करे सघो था तव्हां असांखे SMS करे सघो था. सो राइट नाउ जेको ही टाइम थियो आहे स्टूडियो तरफ़ ओवर टू स्टूडियो मज़र से ठार.